this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. We are here with the Charlie's Nail Art Haul. We got Royal Mail. It's not the normal because, well, she's not a queen anymore. So passed on to Charles, and I guess this is his Royal Mail stamped at the crown. So we're going to cut this baby open. I do not remember what I ordered. I did not order like a spring box or an Easter box. I ordered all individual items. I remember. So let's take us a gander what we got. It's our note from Charlie. Dear Cherie, thank you for your order. We hope you are happy with your nail art goodies. We're looking forward to seeing your nail art designs, Charlie. Charlie. Okay. Let's get our stuff here. Here. Whoopsie. There's a lot of different things. Butterflies. This doesn't seem right. I got a free gift from Charlie. I didn't put my PR order in for being an ambassador. Oh, good Lord. Oh well, I better luck next time. I am an ambassador for Charlie's. Nailed it 10, all caps. Saves yourself 10% off, I believe. I think it's only 10%. But the glitter mix I chose was Fine Candy Mix Cherry Bomb. This was a free gift, she says. This is a 5-gram bag. And Charlie knows I like the fine glitter mixes. And this is Fine Candy Glitter. I think I'll be using here soon. It's the only glitter mix we got. This one here, Colored Nail Art Stones, which is a bunch of like stones minutely crushed up together. I think this is really beautiful. And then we have got some daisy flowers, the pink and the purple. I love these, so I ordered 2 of those. They were very reasonably priced. Then we got some sweets and some donuts. Gotta have a bigger charms like this for a manicure. Love. And of course, what's the Charlie's nail art without some butterflies? We've got the teal, okay, we got purple. This could be a light teal, it's kind of hard to say. And the blue. I think these are beautiful. These were very reasonably priced. Charlie's got great prices on her items. And then when you add 10% off an ambassador code, you're getting even a better deal. These here are crushed shells. I've got gray, natural, blue, green, and pink. I think these are really cool. These, I only know how to encapsulate with acrylic. If there's another method, ladies, out there without hard gel that you can use, I'm all ears. So give me a comment down below. Let me know. This is a small haul. But if you've got any ideas with the crushed shells, what I can do with them, please drop me a DM on Instagram, JUST.NAILEDIT, and give me your ideas. Let me know what's out there. So this is the end of my little haul video from charliesnailart.co.uk. And again, my ambassador code is NAILEDIT10, all caps. So leave me a comment down below. I think I've said that like 5 times, didn't I? So let me know what you think of my nail art goodies for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please watch 3 to 5 minutes before you click the notification bell, because YouTube is catching on to people that's just flying by, subscribing, and getting out. They're counting that as spam, which means they're taking the subscription away from us. So please watch 3 to 5 minutes, stay active on our channels. Hope you've enjoyed my little haul here for today. I'm really digging this glitter. This one is so pretty. So pretty. I think I have this in a bigger bag. This is 3 grams. Colored nail art stones. I want to say I have some of this, but I could be very wrong. Very wrong. So we'll see as we play with things down the road. Gotta love my butterflies. Well, we're gonna go. Have yourselves a blessed day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.